All right, I'm here with Juan Planas at Key Carts. He's going to try to take off this sticker that's been on this used golf cart for about 5 years and hasn't been able to take it off successfully in the past. So let's see what he got.
And normally when you try to take these off, they're going to break off into a million pieces. You'll be there forever. So we'll go ahead and start off by letting it start to work its way on the corners here. Look at how it's just coming right off. Apply some more product there as you starts working its way through. You can just feel it just coming right off of this. And you can see when it starts to break off, it's because you want to go ahead and have it from the top working its way down. And then once you see the residue that's left over, grab a rag and just rub it on it. You're going to see how this starts to just disappear.
Looks like you just almost wiped it right off.
Like it never was there.
All right, so that's Re-Mov silicone and adhesive remover.
Yep.
By Re-Mov. Thank you.